What makes Corberosa premium air-roasted coffee different than the traditional coffee roaster is not only how we roast, but why. My partner and I started out growing boutique coffees on the northwest slopes of Haleakala in Hawaii. One of the problems that I and other coffee growers constantly faced was that traditional drum roasting was not able to capture the delicate flavors us as boutique coffee growers have worked so hard to achieve in our crops. The answer we found was roasting the coffee beans on a fluid bed of air. Only 1% of all coffee beans harvested get the privilege of being air roasted. We're proud to be one of the only coffee companies in the world to produce premium air roasted coffees. Most of the people that have had Corberosa premium air roasted coffee can instantly realize that our coffees are incredibly different than what they have previously experienced with their other coffees. The overbearing bitter and burnt tastes that usually take 2 creams, 2 sugars, and 5 pumps of vanilla flavoring to overcome are replaced by something magical. Bright and flavorful blueberries and raspberries bounce off your tongue with hints of rich, creamy chocolate.